How to withdraw from Ruby Mining. Hello everybody, in today's video we are going to teach you how you can do it, so let's start the video. First thing first, you can open up the Ruby Mining application onto your device, and then once you open it up, you should log in into your account using your credentials, and then you should be finding this interface. Now in order to withdraw, all you gotta do is from the given interface in the bottom you should be finding different options. Right now we are on this discovery section. On the fourth option we have the wallet icon right here, so just go ahead and tap on it. Once you tap on wallet here, it will show you available balance. So in order to send or withdraw money from Ruby, what you can do is from these options, receive and send, select the option called send. Once you tap on send here in this section, you need to enter up the wallet address or phone number to whom you want to send. And you can also scan a QR code if you prefer. Just go ahead and paste it right here, and then you will be taken to another option. And then you will be finding something like this, the QR code and this code of other accounts. So you just need to continue the process. And then once you continue, it will show you this section right here, so you can just go ahead and enter up the amount and then even add up a message if you prefer, and then you can just go ahead and continue the process and you will be withdrawing money from your Ruby mining application, the rubies. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next video.